The latest mesh intercom device to enter the Indian market is going to be the Sena B20. This is a specific Bharat version and is not going to be available elsewhere. We're going to unbox this today to show you what's in the box. Firstly, it is a only mesh communication device from Sena. It has HD speakers, mesh intercom, IP67 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about riding in the rain. HD speakers again, and there will be a standard 2-year Sena India warranty, which is very important with a device at this price. The price is a very attractive 14,999 only. So 14,999 is what they plan to sell this at. It should be available in about 3 weeks, somewhere third week of February. When you open the box, there's first the catalog. There's not much to see in that, so we'll keep that aside. Now this is the device. It's extremely attractive for the price. The first time I opened the box, I thought maybe it was 2 devices, maybe it was a dual pack, but that's not the case. It's one device, and there's the option to switch colors, which is very interesting. We'll get the device out so you can see it up close. You can see this is extremely high end. It's, I would say, the kind of quality there is with the 50S and the 60S, the top of the line devices. Very slim, very pretty design. The jog dial, which is very important. Now if you wish to change this, if you don't like the black and you want to go with the white, we will try and do that also for you. So all you gotta do is slightly pull. Okay, oops. Okay, that's out. Same thing here. Just pull that out like that. Get the white one, put it back here, and this will sit here. So I've not fit it right, but this is how it will look if you want it to be white. And put that back, that one back, this back in its place. It's quite easy to get this done actually. Hardly took a few seconds, and it's back to original. What's in the box? Okay, so you have this obviously, and when you get this off, there's the rest of the stuff that's inside. It's packed pretty well. Where does it open from? Okay. Here. Okay. So you have these velcros for the inside of the helmet for the speakers and the mic, some extra as well. There are your HD speakers with your speaker spacers, which come with most of the Senas, and there is the boom mic attached to the wire. Now you can also use the wired mic, which has been provided here. There's a wired mic inside this, so they have given you the option of a boom mic as well as a wired mic. There's a charging cable. There's of course your clamp, which you can use on your helmet if you wish to clamp it. If you cannot use this for any reason, like for some helmets there's the drop down sun visor switch at the bottom of the helmet, so you can't use this in that place, and you also have a sticker type clamp. So they've pretty much given you everything that comes with any other Sena. It looks like a very interesting device at this price. Frankly, it's I wasn't expecting Sena to get something this good at this price. So at 14,999 is going to pretty much kill everything else in the market. We should start selling them on our website www.bachumotors.com somewhere in the third week of February. So if you wish to purchase this mesh intercom device, you can log on to our website or visit the store in Tardeo, Mumbai anytime after the third week of February and get your Sena B20. Bharat version.